Welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Brenda, ang babaeng walang dibdib pero may talent. For today's video, ipapakita ko sa inyo paano ko ginawa to. Paano ko, yes. Paano ko transform yung pantalon ko into this matching set. And actually, na-transform ko na siya before. Baggy jeans siya. Tapos ginawa ko siyang skinny jeans pero hindi ko siya nagustuhan. Never ko siya ginamit after kong transform. Buti na lang hindi ko pa ginupit yung sides ng jeans kasi alam ko babago na naman ang isip ko. So yun, naisipan ko, transform siya ulit into something na magagamit ko ngayong summer. And eto nga siya. Saka bumili kasi ako sa Zara ng pantalon. Eto siya. At hindi ko siya gusto. Mas maganda pa itong ginawa. Kasi nung una kasi may binilang puti, pero hindi siya kasya. Tapos nagpapalit ko na. Wala nang stock. So pinilit ko niyang kapatid kasi ganyan kulay. And hindi ko siya gusto. Papalit ko ulit yan. Kasi meron naman na akong damit. So yun. If you wanna know how I transform this, please keep on watching. See you in my next video. Bye! Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. Share nyo na rin po kung wala kang gawa sa buhay.
Okay, first things first, I ripped the seam that I made to turn it into a skinny jean since I need my legs to breathe this summer. Second, I cut the pants and I actually cut it too short for my preference, but it's okay, I can work it. Lastly, I hem the raw edges because I don't want fringes hanging out. Now that I am done with the pants, let's make the top. So here I am cutting the sides so I could have a clear vision of how much fabric I am going to use. Then I started drafting. I really don't know how to explain this, so please watch carefully. Then after drafting comes cutting and hemming, and the rest is history. Kidding, I actually trimmed the fabric and removed all the excess fabric I don't need. Then for the other part of the pants, I cut it into strips and sew two strips together to have a long strips. Then hand sewn it because my machine couldn't take the pressure.
Okay, so this is how the top looks like now. Ito yung straps na ginawa ko kanina, and as you can see, mahaba siya. And ito yung tinahi ko with my hands. Tapos sa likod, ang ginawa ko na lang is, nagyan ko ng dalawang garter dito. Kasi tinatamad na ako. And as you can see, hindi rin malinis yung pagkakatahi ko. Okay lang yan kasi ako lang naman magsusuot. So, yun.
So this is the finished product, and again, this is Brenda, ang babaeng walang dibdib pero may talent. Thank you guys for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye!